Hi there. What if one decision today determines whether you become a university graduate, a successful professional, or the founder of your own business? I bring to you the International Baccalaureate Career-Related Program, a program run only in the European Azerbaijan School in Azerbaijan. Many students in the 9th and 10th grade often ask themselves this important question: what comes next after school? Some students already know they want to attend university. Others want to enter the workforce as soon as possible. Some dream to become an entrepreneur and build their own businesses. The reality is that the world is changing. Employers, universities, and industries no longer looking for students with good grades. They are looking for young people who can think critically, communicate effectively, solve problems, and work with others, as well as adapt to change. This is exactly what the IBCP is designed to develop. A unique program that combines academic study with practical, career-related learning, and it allows students to continue developing strong academic knowledge while also gaining real-world skills and preparing them for life after school. One of the greatest strengths of the IBCP is that it supports 3 pathways for students. One is university. For students who want to continue their studies at university, the IBCP provides excellent preparation. Students take vigorous IB courses that develop advanced research, analytical thinking, communication, and independent learning skills. These are the same skills that universities around the world expect from successful students. The program helps students become confident learners who are ready to handle the challenges of higher education. The second pathway is employability. Not every student wants to go directly to university, and that is perfectly fine. Some students prefer to enter the workforce and begin building their careers immediately after graduation. The program develops professional skills that employers value highly, including teamwork, leadership, problem solving, time management, communication, and workplace ethics. Students graduate with experience and competence that make them more competitive in today's job market. The third pathway, entrepreneurship. Many young people dream of creating something for their own. Perhaps you have an idea for a business, a technology solution, a creative project, or a social enterprise. The IBCP encourages innovation, initiative, and independent thinking. Students learn how to identify opportunities, solve real-world problems, and transform ideas into action. These are essential qualities for future entrepreneurs and business leaders. The IBCP program is not simply about passing examinations. It is developing the whole person. Students build confidence in public speaking, improve their ability to work with diverse groups of people, and learn how to approach challenges with a global perspective. Through the community engagement, students learn the importance of giving back to their communities and making a positive impact on society. Through the reflective project, students learn to investigate issues deeply, evaluate information critically, and present their findings professionally. These experiences help students to grow into responsible, ethical, and engaged global citizens. The IBCP program is recognized globally, and the program is respected by universities, employers, and institutions around the world. Being an IBCP student demonstrates that you have challenged yourself academically while also developing a practical career-related skill. It shows that you are prepared not only for examinations, but also for life. Why would you want to choose the IBCP program? It's a pathway that combines academic and career-related learning. It prepares you for university studies, garners skills that employers are looking for, it creates opportunity for you to develop entrepreneurial thinking, and you have greater confidence, independence, and leadership abilities. It is also internationally recognized. A program that prepares you for the real world is what you need for the future. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Decisions you make now will shape the opportunities available for you tomorrow. The IBCP program is more than a program. It is a pathway that helps students develop their strength, develop their talents, and prepare for success in whichever direction they choose. Whether your goal is to attend university, work for a large organization, or build your own business, the IBCP provides the knowledge, skills, and experience to help you get there. I want to encourage and implore you to explore the program, ask questions, and consider how the IBCP can become part of your future journey. Thank you, and I look forward to welcoming you to the IBCP family at the European Azerbaijan School.